Hi, I'm Stuart Charity. I'm the CEO of the Automotive Aftermarket Association, and we're here at the 2024 Collision Repair Expo. The show is full, completely sold out. We've got over 400 stands across 5 acres of floor space. We've got packed crowds. Our pre-registrations are through the roof. It's the sort of event that you really can't afford to miss. An opportunity to see all the suppliers under one roof, network with your colleagues and learn about the future.